Life cycle assessments, LCAs, are a crucial tool in understanding the total environmental impact of a product, from the extraction of raw materials to its final disposal. LCAs evaluate every stage of a product's life cycle, offering a comprehensive view of the environmental costs associated with its production, use, and end-of-life treatment. This includes the impact of sourcing raw materials, the energy and resources used during manufacturing and packaging, the emissions produced during the product's use, and the waste generated when it is disposed of or recycled. By assessing these stages, LCAs help identify where improvements can be made to reduce a product's overall environmental footprint. For example, to make a plastic bag, oil or natural gas must be extracted and refined to create plastic polymers. The manufacturing process involves energy-intensive procedures, and the packaging and distribution of these bags also consume resources. Once in use, plastic bags are lightweight and strong, but often used just once before being discarded. If not recycled, they end up in landfills or polluting the environment, where they take hundreds of years to break down. On the other hand, paper bags are made from trees, which require harvesting. The production process involves using water, chemicals, and energy to convert wood into paper. Paper bags decompose more easily than plastic, but their production requires more water and energy. Additionally, paper bags are bulkier, leading to higher transportation emissions. When comparing life cycle assessments of plastic and paper bags, the results are not always straightforward. While paper bags may seem more environmentally friendly due to their biodegradability, they often require more resources to produce. Plastic bags, though harmful if not disposed of properly, generally require fewer resources to manufacture and transport. The life cycle assessment reveals that neither option is perfect, and factors like reuse, recycling, and disposal methods heavily influence the overall environmental impact. One of the challenges of life cycle assessments is that they can be complex and sometimes difficult to interpret. The environmental costs of each stage vary depending on regional factors such as energy sources, recycling infrastructure, and resource availability. Additionally, certain environmental impacts, such as water pollution or habitat destruction, may not be easily quantified or weighted equally across different stages. For example, while plastic bags might have a lower carbon footprint during production, their long-term environmental damage due to persistence in ecosystems is harder to measure within a traditional LCA framework. Life cycle assessments are vital for providing insight into the total environmental costs of products, from raw material extraction to disposal. By comparing the life cycles of products like plastic and paper bags, it becomes clear that environmental impact depends on many factors, including production processes and how the products are used and discarded. However, LCAs also have limitations in capturing the full complexity of environmental harm, and the results must be carefully interpreted to guide more sustainable decision-making.